In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Airtable. Tags are a really useful way to quickly categorize and filter your records. So by the end of this video, you'll have a simple tagging system set up and ready to use. First, open your browser and go to your Airtable dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual details. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see a list of your existing bases. These are like projects or databases that contain your tables. Next, click on the base where you want to add tags. This will open the base and show you your table view with rows and columns similar to a spreadsheet. Take a moment to look at your existing columns and decide where a tags column would make the most sense. For example, near your status or category fields. Now, move your cursor to the far right of your table, to the last column. Just next to that last column header, you'll see a small plus icon. Click on this plus icon to add a new field. Airtable will open a panel where you can choose what type of field you want to create. From the list of field types, click on Single Select. This option is perfect for tags when you want to choose exactly one tag per record from a predefined list, and it will display each tag as a clear colored label. In the field name box at the top, type in the name of your new column. For example, tags. Use a name that is clear for anyone else who might be using the base with you, so they immediately understand what this field is for. Below the name, you'll see an area to add options. Click on Add Option, then type in the name of your first tag, such as High Priority or Marketing. Press Enter to confirm it. To create more tags, click on Add Option again and type in another tag name. Repeat this for all the tags you know you'll need right now. You can always add more later, so don't worry about getting everything perfect. When you're happy with your list of tags, click on Create Field. Airtable will add your new tags column to the table with all your options ready to use. To start tagging your records, click in one of the cells in the new tags column. A small drop-down arrow will appear. Click on that drop-down and you'll see the list of tags you just created. Finally, click on the tag you'd like to use for that record. Airtable will apply it as a colored label, making it easy to scan and filter your data